Hi guys, good day. This is Godfred, the CEO of Mission Beats. I'm on Instagram and on TikTok also, and the name of the accounts are mission_beatsgh, so you can as well follow me there. So I had a lot of people calling in who I realized they wanted to learn beaded bags, but the prices that I mentioned, their money wasn't up to, or others too. I realized that because of proximity issues, they couldn't come around to learn. So I thought it nice to create this YouTube channel to teach people who wishes to learn, but because of one or two reasons that they can't either come or can't afford it. So this is the first class that I'm going to do. Yes, so if you are new here, what I would like you to do is kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on notification button so that whenever I upload any tutorial video, you will be the first person to be notified and watch it as well. Yes, so today I'm just going to introduce you to the items that I used in beading. So first of all, I have my plier here. That is the plier. There are one or two things that you will use a plier for, but it's best when I show you in other videos. So I'm just going to leave that for now. And I have my pair of scissors. This scissors is actually using cutting. Sometimes the excess line, you just use the scissors to cut. That is also the use of the scissors. And I have a fishing line here. This fishing line is actually 0.3. I don't really use it for beading, but I have other purposes that I use it for. Mostly I use it for to sew my lining, attach it to the beaded bags. And this is actually 0.7 fishing line. That is what I always use in beading, 0.7 fishing line. If you really want to learn beading with me, I would advise that you just go for 0.7 fishing line. You can equally get a small fishing line or either the big fishing line, just that you have to get a fishing line. And the next on the list is beads. So these are 0.6 mm beads. This is actually a pearls beads. Pearls beads, I realize the prices are a bit higher, so when we are working with it, the price tends to be quite different from the others. And because of how it is, it can easily scratch, so you have to really handle it with care. So this, you can get these beads, that's the pearls beads, is used in beading as well. And we have others too. We have other sizes that I'll be introducing you to, and this is equally 6 mm pearls beads. This is cream, the other one was silver. Yeah, so you can equally use this 6 mm beads to bead your bags. They equally comes in sizes, and this is it's either 8 mm or 10 mm, 10 millimeter. I've actually forgotten the actual size. Yes, that's as well used to bead bags, and there are different kinds of designs that you can do with the pearls beads. So I think I have one here, this very back here. I use the pearls beads, that's the size 8 or 10 to bead that. Yeah, so next on the list I have this porcupine beads. All these porcupine beads, others call it popcorn beads. It's actually a very nice bead, and working with it is very interesting. Yes, almost all the bags that I've made using these beads turned out to be very nice. So you can as well get it porcupine beads. Working with it is very interesting. Yeah, so it has this rough surface. That is I think how the name porcupine was derived from. I don't know if others call it porcupine. So this is a bag I made out of that. It turned out pretty much beautiful. And this is a normal beads, that's also 6 mm beads. I used it to bead this mat. Yeah, so most of the bags that you would see on my page, this is the beads that I used it for, the 6 mm beads, and it comes in different colors. So this is a bag that I made out of that, and you can see it turned out pretty much beautiful. So this is actually a different color of the same beads, 6 mm beads that you can. Yeah, so I think this is wine. Yeah, and I equally have sugar beads, so you can as well use sugar beads in your works. Yes, I really love working with sugar beads because it makes the works very easier, and they are quite bigger, so it has this I think boxy shape that actually make your bag stands firm, and also this is sugar beads. It also comes in different colors. Yeah, so as you can see, I have the blue here. It's the same sugar beads, and I equally have the pink sugar beads. Yeah, so you can get any color of your choice when you want to start beading. But for now, I would, yeah, so this is a bag that I made out of those beads, and you can see they are really beautiful. So for now, this is an introduction video of the items that you might need when you want to start beading. So you just need your beads, you would need your fishing line. That's, I would advise you get a 0.7 fishing line. You need a pair of plier and also a pair of scissors. For the fishing line, I would advise you get a blue one on the table, because you are probably just starting. I got a bigger one because I have a lot of people that I'm working for, and I'm working on some bigger projects. So this is the end of the video. Okay, one more thing, you don't really need to get all these beads. Yes, you can easily just get one bead. That's I think the black one that I'm holding will be okay. So that's the 6mm beads and the fishing line together with the plier and the scissors, just for the start. So you can get those beads, then we start, because I'm going to actually start with that very particular bead. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so I have another page on Instagram. You can follow me. The name of the page is mission_beads_gh, and you can equally follow me on TikTok. It's equally mission beads gh. Yes, so I'll be posting one video every week. That is the tutorial video, so don't forget to come back for